Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about the rights and responsibilities of workers at workplace. Collective responsibility that makes exercising right possible. If nobody assumes responsibility, then the right to safe workplace exists only as a lofty ideal. Fortunately, the government and health and safety committees are acting to make safe workplace an everyday reality for workers anywhere. As a safety officer, whenever you are able to train workers, you have to tell them the rights and responsibilities of their work. Those rights and responsibilities of workers are discussed in this presentation. First one, rights of the worker. Right to know about actual or potential dangers in the workplace. Employer is obligated to tell about the hazards of all material and equipment in the workplace and should give the appropriate training before performing any potentially dangerous work activities. The second one, right to participate in helping to make your workplace safe. Worker can become a part of joint health and safety committees and have their voice heard. Third one, right to refuse unsafe work. Never have to perform work will cause any harm to worker himself or other workers. Know that you cannot be suspended, docked pay or disciplined in any way for refusing unsafe work. Fourth one, right to report unsafe conditions. Tell supervisors or employer immediately if see anything that looks unsafe. If they wait, someone can and most likely will get hurt. Fifth one, right to wear PPE, which means personal protective equipment. Employers must provide workers with the protective clothing and equipment necessary for safety as well as the training to use them properly. And sixth one, right to work safely. The safety program, work procedures, equipment standards and regulations are there to protect the workers. Don't take risks that might injure worker or anyone else. When coming to the responsibilities, work in compliance with regulations, follow all safe work procedures and use all job site controls as required. Handle all hazardous materials according to the MSDS requirement. Wear appropriate clothing and use the required personal protective equipment. Report all workplace hazards including dangerous conditions or unsafe acts. Report all incidents, accidents, illness and injuries immediately. Refuse to carry out any work activity that could be harmful to yourself and anyone else. Never take risks that will endanger other workers. Never use broken tools or defective equipment. Never come to the workers impaired by the drugs or alcohol. Always maintain good housekeeping conditions and know what to do in case of emergency. This is about the rights and responsibilities of workers at workplace. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.